Alright, today we're working on a Troy-Bilt self-propelled lawnmower. The guy brought it over to me to work on it, and he said it just stopped working on it. So we're going to try pulling it once, see what happens. Doesn't sound like there's any compression. So typically on these motors, that's a sign of either a broken connecting rod or a valve seat that's hung up. So let's tear into this and see what it is. Alright, so now we get up on the rack. Let's see. The easy way to test if you have a broken connecting rod, we're going to pull the spark plug out. This is just a 16mm socket, deep well socket. A lot of threads on these overhead valve engines. So once I have that spark plug out, I'm just going to stick a long screwdriver down in that hole where the spark plug came out, and I can feel the top of the piston, and I can move it. So if I moved it, so that means that connecting rod's not connected to that piston. So looks like we have a broken connecting rod. All right, so first we're going to get this blade off. Then we got to get underneath this cover here to get to the engine mounts. This is just a 13mm or ½ inch, maybe. I didn't think these would be that tight. We should get the impact. This is a 10mm on this cover. Those other two that I took out were actually rotor mounts bolts. Still one more up in there. Another 10mm. Alrighty, there's one more motor mount bolt, and then that motor will come off there. Just be careful, because when you take this bolt off, that engine's gonna fall off there. So.